Alright, how are you guys?
Hi.
Good. Okay, Badin, where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
Okay, can you show us on the map? Thank you.
Cambodia.
Alright, so what's the season in Cambodia now?
Season?
Is it spring?
Spring.
Yes.
Is it summer?
Summer,
Is it
fall,
fall?
autumn,
Autumn? Or is it winter?
winter.
So what's the season in Cambodia?
It is spring.
It's spring. Okay. Nayeon, where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
Okay, can you show us where it is? Okay, thank you. So, what's the season in South Korea?
It's spring.
Ah, it's spring. Okay. Hafsa, where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Okay. Are you ready? What's
What's
the
Season.
season
In Morocco.
in Morocco?
Now.
Now. Okay. Can you show us? Thank you. Okay.
It's spring.
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 Okay. Norville, where are you from?
I'm from Mongolia.
Okay. Can you show us on the map? All right. So, what's
What's season
the season
in
Mongolia
Mongolia?
now?
It's winter.
It's winter. Cool. Okay, so please pair up with the person next to you and then ask them questions.
Hi, Hafsa.
What's the
What's
From
the
South Korea.
season in Mongolia?
It's winter now.
It's winter.
It's
What
spring
is
now.
the weather now? What is the season now
Hafsa, you are
Cambodia?
from
It is spring.
Morocco.
Summer. Yeah,
What
spring.
is the
Spring.
season now?
Spring.
Spring. Spring.
Okay, exchange pairs.
Hi. I'm from Cambodia.
I'm from South Korea.
What is the season now
It is
in South
spring.
Korea?
Spring.
What's since the season
Spring.
in Morocco?
I'm from Mongolia.
It's spring.
Yeah, it's spring.
What's the season in Mongolia now?
It's winter now.
Winter.
Cool. Good job, guys. Okay, so now, Hafsa, where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Okay, so what's the season in Morocco?
It's spring.
It's spring. Cool. And now, so how's the weather in Morocco in the spring?
Spring.
Is it sunny?
Sunny.
Sun.
Is it
Rain.
Rain.
rainy? Raining?
Raining.
Is it
Snow.
snowy?
Snowy.
Snowy?
Snowy.
Is it
Cloud.
Cloud.
Cloudy? Cloudy? Or is it
Wind.
windy?
Windy.
Hmm. So how's the weather in Morocco in the spring?
It's sunny
It's sunny,
and cloudy
it's cloudy,
and wind.
it's windy.
It's windy.
Oh, good. Okay. Then how's the weather in Morocco in the summer?
In the summer, it's sunny.
It's sunny. Cool.
Sunny.
Then how's
How is the weather?
How is
Weather.
the weather
Weather
in Morocco
in the autumn.
in autumn? In the autumn. In the fall.
It's windy.
It's windy.
It's windy.
Oh, cool. Then how's
the
the weather
How's the weather?
In
in
Morocco.
Morocco
In the winter.
in the winter?
In the winter, it's rainy.
It's raining.
It's rainy.
Cool. Okay. Now can somebody try asking the questions? Okay.
Hey Naya, how is the weather?
Hmm.
Weather. How is the weather,
Weather
in South Korea
in South Korea
in the spring?
in the spring.
In the spring. It's cloudy.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Cloudy.
Cool. Can somebody try?
How Hausa? How is the weather
Weather
in Morocco
Mhm.
in winter?
in winter.
In the winter.
In winter, it's raining.
The rain is
It's raining.
Rainy.
It's raining.
Okay. Keep going.
Okay. How's the weather
Hmm.
in Cambodia
In Cambodia
in summer?
in the summer.
summer. It is sunny.
It's sunny.
Sunny.
Cool.
How is the weather in Mongolia
In
Spring.
Spring. It's cloudy
it's cloudy.
and snowy.
Ah, it's snowing. Cool. Okay. Right. So now I'm giving each of you a piece of paper, and it says a name of country and weathers in each season. So please pair up with the partner next to you, and then you pretend to be the person from that country and ask the question each other about the weather in each season. Okay?
Hey buddy,
I'm
where are you from?
I'm from
Vietnam.
France.
Vietnam.
France.
How is the summer in
How
Vietnam
is
now?
what is the season now in France?
It is winter now.
Season.
Season.
What is,
Season.
how is the weather
In the
now
Vietnam now?
in France?
It is snowy. Snowy.
Snowy.
What
How's
is
the
the
weather?
season
In winter.
now? Where from?
I'm from Mexico.
In Mexico.
I'm from Portugal.
Mexico.
What is the season now?
It's winter.
How is the weather
It's cold.
in winter?
It's sunny.
Rainy.
Okay, cool. All right, good work, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.